The Infinix GT40 Pro 5G is a flagship-level smartphone that combines cutting-edge performance, an immersive display, and powerhouse endurance in one sleek package. At its core, the device is driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Ultra processor, which delivers blazing fast speed, smooth multitasking, and efficient handling of demanding apps and games. Complementing this performance is a massive 9,000 mAh battery, giving users exceptional all-day and beyond battery life, so you can stream, browse, and play without constantly needing to recharge. When you do need power, the phone supports fast charging technologies to get you back in action quickly. The photography experience on the GT40 Pro 5G is equally impressive thanks to its 400MP main camera, capable of capturing stunningly detailed and vibrant photos in a variety of lighting conditions. Viewing content is a joy on the 144Hz FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, which offers fluid visuals, rich colors, and sharp clarity whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, or gaming. All these features make the Infinix GT40 Pro 5G a compelling choice for users who want top-tier performance, standout battery endurance, and advanced imaging wrapped in a premium display experience.